Hello, my name is Hans Olo. I is 6 weeks old. My people who used to own my mama waited until I opened my eyes, and then they took me away from my mama because they thought that I could fend for myself. And they wrapped me in a towel, and they drove to a veterinary clinic, and they wrapped me in the towel, and they opened the door, and they tossed me in. And then they got back in the car, and they drove away really fast. And so Miss Dawn was my mom now. She came to get me and make sure that nothing happened to me. Miss Dawn took me on all sorts of adventures. Kitty! Kitty! You're so cute. You're so cute and tiny.